Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy mango mousse. This delightful dessert requires just a few simple ingredients and minimal effort. You will need 2 large, ripe mangoes, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Make sure your mangoes are perfectly sweet and your cream is very cold. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk beforehand will also help achieve the perfect texture. Let's get started on this delicious treat. First, let's prepare our mango puree. Carefully peel and dice your 2 large, ripe mangoes, ensuring you remove all the flesh from the pit. Place the diced mango into a blender and process until it becomes a completely smooth puree. For an extra silky and luxurious texture, push the puree through a fine mesh sieve to remove any fibers. This step is crucial for a truly smooth mousse. Next, we'll whip the cream to perfection. Pour 1 cup of very cold, heavy cream into your pre-chilled mixing bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, which sweetens the cream and helps stabilize it. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed until soft peaks begin to form. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can quickly turn grainy. We want a light, airy consistency. Now for the exciting part, combining everything. Gently fold the smooth mango puree into your whipped cream using a spatula. Be careful not to deflate the airy cream. We want to maintain that light texture. Once fully combined, spoon the mousse into individual serving glasses or a large bowl. Finally, chill the mousse in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours to allow it to set perfectly. Enjoy your delightful homemade mango mousse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.